Hello, welcome to the TintView Metal Shop. My name is Daniel Robertson. I'm the welding teacher here at TintView. In the first term of Welding 1, what we'll learn is gas metal arc welding. This is one of the most common types of welding in our modern world. In term 2, we move on to shielded metal arc welding. This is a very common type of welding process that's used in the field. If you own a welding truck, you'll be doing a lot of stick welding. If you work on the pipeline for the oil companies, you'll be doing stick welding. Okay. In third term, we move into oxy-fuel cutting. This is a 1/2-inch plate that we're splitting down the middle here. This is also very common. This is a very important process that people use every day. Also in third term, we're going to learn about CNC plasma cutting. Here we just got a new plasma table. Anything that you draw on a computer, you can upload into this table and it'll cut it out for you, which is pretty awesome. Okay. Now, gas tungsten arc welding is not a part of first year welding, but I wanted to throw a few clips in because it's fun. We learned this in Welding 2 in the second year, if you come back for a second year of welding. This is a very precise process that people use to do all sorts of things, like, for example, welding aluminum or stainless steel if you're welding on airplanes or spaceships. This kind of stuff is a very cool process. Here through the filter, you can just see the weld puddle. I'm not a great cinematographer, but you can just see that weld puddle coming up and down, which is pretty cool. Okay, so come build some things with us. Come learn how to weld. Thanks for listening to me. I hope to see you next year.